Not like a New York cockroach.
There's two of them. Down both of them.
Holy crap, Kyla.
Down
Okay.
two.
Jonathan, what killed you?
Person.
There was at least two guys in that building. I'm not sure if there's more.
Oh my god!
You get him?
Oh my god, yeah! Team wipe! He ran.
Inside.
Coming!
Broke his shield. It's laying down.
Not team wipe. I'm gonna sit down.
Sprints. Behind us.
Coming!
God damn it. Lying down.
Team wipe?
No. Alright, get out. Get it. Get it.
Oh god!
Go, guy right there. People on top of a ray shooting at you.
Oh!
Oh, team white.
Nice. First shield, down. Looking around for someone else. Dead. Is someone else dead?
I took care of the guy. He's not self-resing, but
We're just both hiding.
Cover me.
1 sec.
Doing something dumb.
Alright, go ahead. Oh.
Got one.
Yeah, oh my god. Broke shield, down.
Nice. There's one more.
Wanna push him? Down! Go, 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 go! Oh my god. Amazing.
people on the roof.
I got him!
The guy in your building's on the roof.
Isla, you got him?
I downed him! He's dead.
In the middle of the two buildings.
Dead.
Nice.
Oh, I felt so satisfied.
Alright, I'm coming from second floor, Harbor. Window.
Someone's close. Someone's just right outside. Two of them.
Dead.
Behind me, Isla, behind me.
Dead. Dead.
Tap.
Okay.
Alright. They're down. Whoa, shit, someone shot me from above.
He's self-res right in front of you, Isla.
You get him?
Yeah.
Oh, I know what you were doing, you jerk. You were letting him get up so that you got the kill instead of your dad.
There's a guy in this house right here.
Yeah.
Someone came in behind me. And
Down.
there's the guy I was chasing in front of me.
Broke shield, down.
What? Jeez.
Did you get the...
Flank him.
Thank you.
Someone's
Someone's above us in that,
the tower here.
Same level as us.
Okay, they're right here.
Two of them,
Three
two
of
of them,
them.
two of them.
Oh, there's two of them.
Broke shield. Dead.
Very nice,
No.
very nice.
Ringan están todos ahí. Espérate.
we're top floor, bottom floor.
On the floor.
Oh, on the stairs, on the stairs.
And
Behind me.
we left you, man. They're inside.
Oh, shit. I got one down. One's down on the second floor. One's on the
Going,
second
going,
floor.
going. Dead.
Get him, get him, get him. Nice, nice, nice.
Dead. He's probably coming down to try to get me, Dad, so be careful.
God, one guy got me.
Damn it, guy up top, guy.
Ah, damn it. Sorry.
Guy's on the roof here.
Down
Get
him.
him.
Got one.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I use this little gun right here. Bye-bye. Ah!
Guy right
No!
up next to you.
You're not doing this to me!
Oh, nice job.
Nope, nope, I'm not dying.
This guy
I'm
shooting on the
not
hill.
dying. I'm not dying today.
Yes, you are.
No!
Oh, good.
I downed him.
Are they in harbor?
He's rezzing.
I downed him again.
Two of them are in the red marked building.
Yeah, the red mark goes away once you lose sight of them after a couple secs.
Chiefy.
Jumped out.
Ow! How do you know why, man?
Smack down right there if you want it. You doing okay, okay?
No.
Dead. Should I try to get him?
Yeah, let's go.
Oh god.
Nope. He's right outside. That guy right there. He's coming to finish us.
I'm coming. No! No!
Oh, you downed him. Nice.
They're on the roof.
Very nice, very nice.
That was his demise. Coming to try to finish you.
Yeah, sorry.
You're good.
Oh.
I'm good.
Sometimes.
Going up. Let's see this. We're all here.
Oh, this will be fun.
Just hope no one's got a well-placed grenade.
I got a well-placed thermite.
Oh!
Right here.
Someone's up there.
Oh, this is not gonna be fun.
It is not.
Uncle John, climb off. Come on.
I can't, I'm down.
Oh fuck, you're gonna go back down. All right, fuck it, we'll go back down.
I'm going down.
Fuck that, we'll go back
That was
down.
fun. We got two of them.
Thanks, guys.
Ah, stiffed me. And
Oh.
killed me.
Oh,
Oh,
shit.
All right, well, go.
Well, thank you very much, man. Asshole on top of these roofs, man. Yeah, this guy hacking like a motherfucker.
Told you.
I saw that shit.
Flips on to you. Before you
He's
even
in.
Building.
Cluster strike. Going in. Oh! Woo!
oh my god, I was.
I jumped!
Yeah, they're outside.
Armor up.
I am. I don't know how we're not dead, but you know.
They're below us.
Another person!
Oh, shit. It's okay.
Isn't the feeling?
It's just straight out school for work when you get older.
Behind me.
Just seems simple.
I didn't know I was there. How did he know I was there? How did
So
he know I
many
was
dead
there?
bodies.
Little sus.
God damn it.
Aww.
Little sus. I'm dead. He said little sus.
Dang it! I downed
I'm back alive.
2 down and 1 is alive. Kaika? No. Kaika. 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 I told
What?
you no.
I had to finish him. I had to finish him.
Not being shot.
Okay. Underground, they're going through tunnels.
Alright, let's go.
Okay, I'm watching the staircase. I saw two
Yeah,
down.
they're behind the door. They're behind the door.
They are.
I heard someone. Downed.
Someone behind
Down.
us.
Dead.
No, no one behind us.
Dead.
Oh, you did it!
Nice job.
Yes.
Oh, he was in the doorway in the corner, wasn't he?
Yeah, nice
He
job.
wasn't. He was downed.
Oh, he's down. Nice job, guys.
Easy peasy.
First game.
8 kills. Look at you.
Yeah.
I'm the only one that died. Because I had
Katie's
to.
work
I had to go
ruined.
for it.
I was like, Kaika, no.
No, you told me that like 3 times that match. Kaika, no.
No, don't do that. Oh god, you did, Kaika. I knew it.
I've been constantly watching the mini map, trying my best to like look up every 2 to 3 seconds in the mini map too.
It doesn't make you dead.
But it's
Two of them! Other one's down.
The other one's shield is broken. Okay, he's dead.
Oh!
One more.
Yep, I'm trying to reload!
Dead.
Thank you.
Taking that guy's gas mask.
they probably changed positions.
Yeah, I don't see them. Yeah, they're around the corner.
Down.
I don't know that I want to push out there.
He's
Yeah, I got him. Above.
Isla, where'd you go? Okay.
There's
Don't worry
someone
about me.
above.
Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me.
Oh, never mind. You're dead.
Guys, but there's nothing I can do around that stupid long corridor.
Broke shield.
you see him?
I broke a shield.
Yeah, that's the guy who killed me.
Dead. Oh, I got
Chase
sniped!
your. You guys are watching the door, right?
I'm watching.
Oh,
stairs
me,
up
me,
there.
it's me! She's dead.
Like that trash kid nasty. Shed behind me.
She's. Yep, right there. He's dead. Dead. Not dead.
He's
not dead.
Dead. Ruben, back to the prison. Oh, never
Got him.
mind. We're dead.
There's
No,
the
we're
last
dead.
guy.
We're won. Why did I say we're dead?
Nice job.
I said we're dead.
Look at you guys, monsters. 8 and 7 kills.
Look at your damage, Kaika.
I did hit a lot of people. They just didn't die.
Yeah. We did it.
Nice job.
Yeah. It's our third game. We've got 2 wins.
I don't know, I feel like I'm playing okay today.
Yeah.
Same here.
We're gonna jinx ourselves.
Yep. You're right.
We did it. Yeah.
Did it. They're behind me.
Dead.
Damn it.
I was a bolt shield.
Team what?
Bolt shield for you.
You got guns, like Kaika.
I need armor. Down.
There's one more.
Down.
Where did you down him?
Oh, there's 6 people up there.
Oh.
Yeah, they're all over.
I'll tell if I get kill confirmed by having. Oh, I got it. I got the kill confirmed.
That's this.
So bright of you, Kaikanish people, right? Watch over and keep them.
One coming up.
Nice.
Down
2v2.
one. Well, 2v1 then.
Got him.
Down one. One more.
Is there heartbeat? Yep. 22.
Got him.
Nice. We won. Again.
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 What's going on? I don't like this.
You don't like this?
Well, I do. It's kind of
No,
weird.
he's a long highlight reel for her.
Yeah.
I know. That's true.
What's going on?
We killed him again. Oh, we get good kills.
Mister, I'm not keeping up with you guys.
Yeah.
He's leading the pack in this one.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, they didn't record this one.
Ha! I recorded it.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. What the hell?
That's
3.
good job. That's a lot for one night.
Yeah.
Probably our record, right?
Probably not.
Right now, my average KD is 5.5. I am in the legendary category.
Uh-huh.
It's hard.
Is that on SBMM? Did you see that?
Yeah, someone in Harbor.
Someone in the docks.
Yeah, Dog's fun that, sorry. Oh, goddamn button.
Oh, nice job.
Gave up again.
Fucking game.
Of course you do.
Well, it's like I'm hiding behind something.
I
So you
know.
crouch when you hide behind something.
I know.
Don't crouch when I'm laying down.
Sus.
One dot northeast.
He doesn't have any weapons.
People
Dead.
behind. Oh, someone inside of my
Oh
building.
yeah,
Did
someone's
you get
behind
him?
us. Nice job.
I downed him.
Dead.
Thank you.
Team what?
He
I don't know.
tried to kill me.
Fire sale!
One underneath us.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Oh, no, he's on a roof. He's on a roof.
My cluster strike to the left side.
Get out of the door!
How's that?
I'm trying to jump in. We gotta move up.
I saw someone running across.
Right around the corner.
Wait, what?
Oh, we got him. Got him.
Nice! High five. Did your cluster strike you?
Who killed the last guy? Was it the smoke or the
Smoke?
cluster bomb?
Could have been either.
Could have been.
I have to look at the replay.
I didn't shoot at anybody.
Me either. I just saw him. It might have been your cluster because he was running across in the street.
Yeah, he was on the street.
So your cluster might have gone. Wow.
7 kills. Look at that.
I only got 2.
Stayed alive though.
Yeah, that's true. Take it out!
They're reloading now. Mika got me. Nice job, Isla.
3-2. 3. There's 3 and a 2 team. I'm sure behind as always. So it's like, just like,
Careful.
there's a car right here. How nice. Still up there.
Here, I got munitions just in case you guys need it. It's at the end here, so I get you refilled your grenades.
I don't have grenades. I have a knife. I was gonna try it out, but it doesn't seem.
Let's go for the. You okay?
You okay, Kaka?
I'm good. No one's hitting me. Right in front of me.
Dead.
Down one.
See, oh,
Got him.
wow.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
Look at that.
That
It's your
was-
3rd win in a row, isn't it, Gordon?
Yes, it is.
This is weird. That felt weird to me. I don't know why.
I got a single kill.
Hey, me too.
I don't know how many
Again.
kills I got.
One.
One. Only
I
one
got
who
one.
didn't get one was the
Yep.
Rando.
Our rando got 3.
We all got 1 and he got 3.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh my
Pretty
god.
much. That was pretty bad.
We just played position.
Yeah. Outside of the first us dropping down, it was pretty bad, but
We did it. Yay.
yay. Yeah, he's like, oh, there's just one of them. Well, guess what, sucker?
They got stuff.
Oh my god, I'm gonna die.
Looks like the same. Fuck.
23 northwest. 8 northwest!
Inside.
Hi.
Hi.
Lots of people in my building.
You gotta go.
I don't feel safe. How about you, Kaika?
I'm not safe. But I got out.
Guy coming in behind you guys. Two of both of them. Two of them coming in behind you.
We're not in that building.
No, I mean they're literally
3v4,
behind you.
3v4!
They're right behind you. They're above you.
I got one.
Two of them,
One's down.
two of them. Downed one. One's down. You're by yourself, Dad.
I know. I'm trying to get gun. How many? I don't have a gun. Just give me a fucking gun.
3. Wait. What?
We got it. He died in the smoke.
What happened?
I was just trying to find a gun.
He died in the smoke.
Nice.
Nice. That was something.
It was something. Oh, I got 8 kills.
I only got 2. The last 2. Not last 2. It's...
There's the ones that counted.
It didn't yell as much.
So, how many of those guys did you kill that came in behind you guys?
None.
One.
One was down. And the other one was, I don't know. The other guy might have came in
Down one. One guy killed me coming into the tent. Or downed me and ran away.
That was weird.
I'll take it. One. Sorry, 60. Very close.
6 teams left, 15 people. When that circle closes, I'm gonna pop the UAV.
He's like right out here, guys.
Buy station.
He's close to it.
I got a good pick.
Two
on
of
the buy
them,
station.
one is northwest.
Oh, there he is. I was wondering where he was.
He's running outside.
Dead.
Did you get him?
Someone else is here, down below, right, like right there.
Right below us, Isla.
Someone else is landing in.
Go up there, bro.
Below us, in the building.
Did you get him?
Yeah, I got him.
Okay.
There's more.
We got 5 people left. One of them's down. Right in front of me.
Run to your left.
Dead.
Someone, don't worry. Let's go.
Two of them right below where I'm standing.
One.
Got him.
Nice.
God,
At least that's all I came out of the Killed him.
Yeah.
Heck yeah. Take that, Rob. Volk. Oh, he was by himself.
And that is 4 a.m. So I'm telling you.
Yep. That's gonna be the highlights, Dad. You know that, right?
Did a good one.
Yeah, but Dad just says 4 a.m.
I know, it doesn't matter. Mom knows when I go to bed.
Well, me, you're letting me wake up until I'll stay up until
You're still on summer break. It's okay.
Yeah, you just.
Oh, look at my
look
mask!
yeah.
That was funny. That
5
was-
kills, Isla. Nice job.
Yay! Number 1. Should I move up or?
I would go to the other building.
Yes, I know, it's very dangerous. I'm getting shot from everywhere! That sucked. I know, it's just, everything is going crap. Poor guy. He is gonna die?
There's a dude crawling directly above you, Steve.
Oh! Yeah! Yeah! Three v 2. 3v1.
2v1. It's 1-on-1.
You got this. You got this.
Yes, it's back good. Careful. Behind.
The thing is, if he knew where he's at, why'd he run up the hill? If you know where the enemy's at, he has to run out of the circle.
Oh. Yeah!
Hey! I don't know how that happened, but all right.
Good job. Okay. Oh, we did it. How does that work out? This is the first game I've done today. Good job. Dead body. I did it! Yay! They might want to play again, but I have to play okay, because I can actually talk to them. I can talk to you instead of these people. I said a couple words just at the beginning. I'm all shaky again.
You gotta win, though.
Yeah.
Thank you for killing that piece of shit hacker.
Oh, there's a hacker?
Yeah, congrats, guys. Good shit.
Yeah.
Thanks,
Whoever
Good
fucking.
game.
Yeah, good shit. That motherfucker fucking trash, locking in on everybody.
Oh, there was a hacker. I'm not the carrier right now. You gotta go.
Got one. One's on top.
Oh, any more? They left. They might be coming towards us though. We're in the circle, so I have a gas mask. So that's also good. I have a horrible SMG though. Stay in this building. I'm gonna check below, see if anybody's here. Mac 10. Thank God. Okay.
Guys northeast. In the bush.
He's gonna come up.
Both of our buddies died. Should
Of
we
course
even
they
bother
did.
buying them?
No.
Punishment.
I'm being sniped. Don't look out there. Remember, we're not ghosted at all.
I know.
Remember, and it's 4v2s. 2 minus 12. Okay, so that's 12. Someone's in our building. Be careful.
Upstairs?
Yeah.
Alright, I
Dead.
got him. Nice team wipe.
Psychops.
Behind you.
Dang it. Psychops there, Kaika. Kilo. I'll take the kilo. There's a LT10 right here.
I'm not worrying about loot. I'm just armoring up. There's people outside of us.
Alright. Good to know. Thanks. Nice job. 2v1. 2v1! Does he have a heartbeat monitor? Yes, he does. We're
I
have
don't
to
see
go
a
out.
dot.
I see below us! Above
Below
us!
us.
Throw your shield.
I missed him. Go for him. Keep pushing.
Got him!
Nice!
We did it!
We did it!
Virtual high five.
Good job. Good job.
Oh, we did it! Oh, I can't believe we did it.
I know, with no help from those other guys.
Yeah. Only help they did was nothing.
I know.
They got
didn't
kills.
even act as they didn't even act as respawn anchors for.
No, we were the respawn anchors.
I know. Yeah, they did get some kills. That was good.
Yeah. Now you're one ahead, right?
I think so.
Yeah. Dad's not gonna be happy about that.
Don't tell him.
Don't tell him. Shh.
Don't tell him. Wait till he looks at his records.
We did it. Baby. Yes.
Beat the kid today, bro. Where you go? I got you, bro.
What's going on?
Holy fuck! Ah!
Yeah, yo.
There's a guy right here.
there.
That failed miserably.
Oh, God.
See me with the river there?
Good
Oh, no,
stuff.
Someone
I
landed
don't
on
know
the
about
roof.
that.
Shit. Get him, Islet.
Bloody,
I died.
He's still up top.
Bro,
Or?
You
Damn,
shoot through
crawling
that
on.
thing.
I got you.
One team left. 3 people.
Oh, where's that from?
Bet you just heard our left.
Oh, 44 meters.
I'm about to see.
We're all pushing.
Right below me on the stairs. The whole team. I downed one. So it's like one guy left then.
Got him.
Come on. Nice.
Yeah, trying to play again?
Nice job.
Sounds good?
That was a good game right there.
That was pretty good.
Well, not me.
Three,
y'all.
I only got 2 kills, but really.
I got 5. You
I
got
didn't
5.
care. We won.
Oh yeah, you can't see.
Yeah, we did.
You got another kill. Love him. We did it. Nice.
Come on, hurry up, switch over so I can do this. I hate this thing because it like bombs out.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. Come on.
Boom.
There we go.
Yeah. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, he's up there.
Dead.
Nice job. Did it? I'm the weakest one.
Down. Go for the roof. Oh, he got his loadout. He's not ghosted though, so that sucks.
Yeah. Grab my stuff. Grab that gas mask. Oh, he already has one.
Here he has one, yeah.
You might win.
He might. He has good positioning, but I
There's
think
two other teams. Yeah.
Yeah. Careful, dude. He knows what he's doing. See that little
I
jump?
know. Yeah.
Oh yeah, this doesn't look promising. But he might. Who knows? We can
Yeah, he's
spread
top.
it.
Top.
Oh, they're fighting each other. Let's
him,
hopefully
get
that
him.
they. Oh, look at that gun! Oh yeah, that's the new SMG.
Get up, get up, get up.
Oh, that just melted.
Obliterated. One more, one more. One more.
Right, you're right.
Oh my god!
Oh my
Nice
god!
job, dude.
Yeah. GG. Nice job.
The carry. I'm gonna say that's my win because I bought him back. Wow, he had 13 kills.
Yeah, he was a beast. And I just noticed I can't play with him because I press escape out of habit.
Oh, did you?
Yeah,
Oh.
that sucks.
No updates on traps at Midgard since they said they're down.
That sucks.
It does suck.
Oh,
Just
play
matchmaking, though.
Oh, they,
Nope.
They left.
They left.
That's fine. Dang it! That sucked. I'm recording the end to show I got a win, but I didn't get any of the kills. Oh, that sucks.
I got the highest score, but only one kill.
That was my first game of the night. Oh, what a warm-up game. Now I'm just gonna get raped for the rest of the night.
Yep, downhill from here.
True.
That's all it's gonna be, because, well, I'm gonna be putting gold lobbies for the rest of the fucking night.
He's very emotional.
Very emotional.
Yay!
Yay!
Oh, did they leave?
They left. They left.
Oh no! Oh, did they? Oh,
I mean, I heard the rank noise. I don't know if they hit the button though. I
probably
think you're a
not.
host.
Body, do you think it's safe?
Fighting someone right there. Get him, get him, get him! One behind you, behind you!
I got it.
Oh my god, one more. Oh, get him, Isla. Get door guy. I'll distract this guy. Right here. He looked at me! Oh, nice job.
Oh, behind you.
Yeah, behind me. A couple more.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I'm running.
I was being the bait.
I'm running! Thank you.
I do need AR. Damn it. What's up on the roof?
Dead.
Oh, man!
Oh, you just go.
And I don't have any more AR ammo.
Bodies.
Yep, Travis.
Oh, he took the helicopter. Nah, no. Use the car for cover! Never mind! Okay, we're back. Nice. Oh,
Got them both.
we won!
One again.
Oh God, no! You're catching up.
Got 8 kills. You got 7. Nice job, guys.
Nice job. Oh, something.
That was something. That was something.
That whole thing in Nova Factory.
I know, that was...
That was
That
definitely
was-
something.
That was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Back-to-back wins with randos.
Yeah. I like the new submachine gun. It's pretty cool. It reminds me of a Fennec.
Was it the CX something?
Yeah.
Does it say I'm the host?
No, I'm not.
No, I'm not a... Play again in 10 seconds.
Let's see if they want to play. No. What's she guys doing over there?
Eating some cookies in the bathroom.
Oh, nice.
Where you find cookies? Where you find cookies?
Right. Get anything cool?
Some loot. Valuables.
On some pouches.
Yeah, they're worth a lot of money.
Oh no! I didn't know!
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh.
You! You, Kaka! How dare you!
That's what you get for killing me with the helicopter.
No, I didn't kill you yet. Oh, did I? No, I didn't. I've
You tried, though. You
I've
tried.
tried a lot.
It's the thought that counts.
We might have to go to
That's
prison and get more
fascinating.
lockpicks.
You can make more.
How do I set a quest?
I usually get inventory and there's a quest tab.
Oh yeah, I see a quest tab.
I don't think you want to do it.
What quest should I quest?
Hey, Dad, you know where propane tank is?
Hey, hey, hey.
Climbing up the pole.
Get me from here, can you?
I'll try.
Quests. What quest should am I supposed to do? Story quest?
The prodigal son is what I was looking at.
Prodigal son. Okay. I think I said it. Did I set it? Oh my gosh.
What's going on?
You're back here. Where are you? Lucky I can't get you. It just exploded. Okay, it's so
It's a
rude.
quest to kill each other.
Oh, his mom just took me.
Oh no!
I was wondering what the explosion was.
Just using it. Using it.
We're gonna have a ton of runners.